The ocean has always been a mirror to the sky, but beneath its blue surface lies a world that time forgot. Today, we step into the cockpit of the Deep Seeker, a tiny vessel built to pierce the veil of the dark abyss. Our destination is the Midnight Zone, a place where sunlight has never touched the seafloor. Many have tried to map these depths, but the ocean guards its secrets with crushing pressure and eternal shadows. As I seal the hatch, I hear the waves whispering stories of lost empires and ancient creatures. My heart beats in rhythm with the engine, knowing that once we descend, there is no turning back. The surface world will fade away, replaced by the unknown wonders of the deep. It is time to dive into the heart of the world. Slowly, the Deep Seeker tilted its nose down, and the familiar blue sky disappeared above. I felt a chill creep through the metal hull as we descended past the 200-meter mark. The bright sunlight, which once illuminated my world, was quickly replaced by a dim indigo twilight. It felt like walking from a sunlit field into an ancient, cool forest. Through the thick curved windows, I watched shadows dancing, and my searchlight was the only guide. We were now in the Twilight Zone, a place of silent change. Strange creatures like drifting jellyfish with hidden lights began to appear near our vessel. Every gauge on the panel confirmed we were entering a land of immense pressure and mystery. We were truly leaving the surface behind, and there was no turning back. Deep below, the familiar twilight faded into a terrifying, deep indigo void. We had entered the bathyal zone, the beginning of the great abyss. Here, the water is as cold as ice, and the weight of the ocean above is crushing. Sunlight is a distant memory, and only a few sparks of life drift in the darkness. My navigation screen was my only guide, showing the endless, black desert below. The hull groaned softly, softly under the pressure, but the engine pushed us further down. Suddenly, I felt a strange sense of being watched. I adjusted my eyes to the searchlight beam, searching for any sign of life. We were truly alone, yet surrounded by invisible mysteries. It is time to uncover the deep ocean's true secrets. We reached the bottom of the bathyal void, a world of silent change. Through the thick glass, I saw the true abyss. The seabed below was an endless, dark desert, broken only by bizarre geological formations. I was not alone. From the crushing pressure, countless tiny, bizarre-shaped, glowing blue and green bioluminescent creatures drifted like a rain of living light near the hull. My searchlight beam struggled to reach the sea floor, but it revealed complex hydrothermal vents spewing mineral-rich water. Life, delicate and alien, thrived around them, an ancient mystery. In the silence, the hull groaned softly, and a sense of being part of an ancient, ancient secret overwhelmed me. We were on the threshold of something truly profound. Deep below the geological desert, something massive was rising. As my powerful searchlight beam struggled to reach the seafloor, a gentle pulsing green and blue bioluminescent light grew brighter, illuminating a colossal structure of complex, ancient architecture. It was a submerged temple, a gateway, or perhaps a sanctuary, a true ancient secret. Its pillars were intertwined with massive deep-sea corals and surrounded by unique, glowing jellyfish. My hull groaned softly, and I was overcome with a sense of being part ancient mystery. Life, delicate and alien, thrived around this silent sentinel, an eternal secret. Every gauge on the panel confirmed this was a place of power and history. My breath was shallow, and in the profound silence, I knew I was truly a traveler of two worlds. The deep ocean's greatest mystery was revealing itself. Inside the submerged sanctuary, a soft, pulsating green light filled the chamber. I maneuvered the deep seeker closer, my searchlight illuminating complex ancient carvings on the smooth stone walls. It was not a temple, but a repository of ancient knowledge. At the far end, a colossal ancient stone mechanism, interwoven with glowing deep-sea coral, held a single, massive crystal lens. When I activated my forward thruster, the engine's sound echoed, and a faint, ancient whisper seemed to escape. The crystal pulsed, focusing a sharp beam of concentrated green light onto a specific etched symbol. In that profound silence, I realized this place was a celestial observatory for a lost, deep ocean civilization. Our journey into the true abyss had just begun.